Hey guys, Ultimate here, and today we are going to be replacing our spark plugs and wires on a 2000 Honda Civic. We don't have a check engine light, but the owner just wants to put new plugs and wires just because. So we're going to start. It's not really difficult to get to, so we're going to start here. Just because this is the easiest one to access, I think I'm gonna start here. Make sure the engine is cold. Don't do this on a hot engine. You could strip the threads out. Here is pull this up just like this. Notice that it's dry, so we're not leaking any oil. That's good, even though this thing probably needs a valve cover gasket. Get that right there, and we're going to get this on, and just like that. Spin her out. Good. Okay. And this is a Bosch double platinum. This isn't even the correct spark plug for this, but that's okay. Alright, a little lesson here on spark plugs. So, this is a double platinum, right? The actual OEM spark plug for this Honda Civic is a copper spark plug. This is the NGKR. This is the actual OEM one. This is the kicker here. Copper actually performs better than platinum or iridium. The main reason why people don't like using copper plugs is because they don't have a long shelf life. So this is going to perform better than this double platinum will. It's just this will have to be replaced quicker. So I'm actually going to take this back to the copper. Another thing, gap. These are pre-gapped. I'm not supposed to gap these. And also, this has a silver coating. This silver coating is a zinc coating. It's like anti-seize for spark plugs. So you do not have to put anti-seize on here. If your spark plugs are black, and just plain black spark plugs, then if they're just plain black spark plugs, then you may have to put a little bit of anti-seize on here to keep it from seizing on the block. So let's get this on. Getting our magnet tool right here, putting it in. Let's get this just like that, nice and slow. And we're just going to turn it in. And we're just going to stop once it feels nice and snug. Just like that. That felt good. We're going to replace our wires too. I'm only doing one at a time. This is how you don't mess up your firing order. So pull this out, pull this out, pull this out. And our number 4 coil is right here. So we're just going to wobble this. Oh. What the hell? Oh, there we go. Now it's out. The kicker here is we have to match the length. So let's start pulling these bad boys out. So you feel like you're the same length. Yeah, so this one is, that's crazy. I got that on the first try. So this is the correct one. Okay, lastly here, we're just gonna get a little bit of dielectric grease. This is a good thing to use so that we get good conductivity. Just gonna spread it around. We'll do the same thing up here, since that's how it wants to go on. You don't gotta kill it. And just thing here, just spread it around. Cool. So we're gonna put this in just like this. You hear this thing pop, and then we'll get this in right here. Let me see something. That's better. Okay. Well then now, there we go. And that's on properly. Hear that thing pop too. Wonderful. So we're gonna just put this back just like that. We're gonna keep walking down the line here. Pull you up, pull you out. We have a little bit of oil, I think. That's something to be aware of. You need to make sure you check that because you're gonna have to replace the valve cover gasket. One. Good. Pop you out. That's fine where you go. And you go down here in the bottom left. Just gonna wobble you out. There we go. And that one's out. Let us match the length again. Spread it around. Spread this around. Plug you in. There we go. I heard that one snap. Good. Pull it out. All right. Let's get the next wire. Nice click sound. You pull you out. Dry again. That's good. There you go. Good. There. Just gonna pop it in. Nice pop sound. There we go. Wonderful. And so one thing I wanted to mention here, this engine is actually flipped. It's been so long since I've seen this. Usually the front of the engine is this way. The transmission is right there. This is the front of the engine. So this is cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. Cylinder 1 goes right here. Cylinder 2 goes down here. Cylinder 3 goes right here, and cylinder 4 goes right down there. So let's start it up and let's see how she sounds. Running like a bird, just like that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out. Bye.